Today's video is another unboxing. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Glenn. Massimo Dutti, the boss. It's really cute for a daily errand use. I mean, come on, look at this. Oh. The height of the bag is about 8 inches. The length of the bag is about, let's say, 8.5 inches. And then the bottom width of the bag, 5.5 across. Now let's see what fits in this bag. I have the Louis Vuitton Agenda PM in the Verdi leather. I have a Longchamp card holder. I have the Louis Vuitton Zippy coin purse. A Longchamp keyring and coin pouch. I have the Longchamp Le Ferlone coin purse. Reading glasses. Yeah, it still fits right there. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. My sunglasses, not sure if it'll fit, but I can still try. Oh yeah. It's a bit tight, but still fits right in there. For a container of gum. There you go. So this is definitely a keeper for me. And it's time to cut the tag. Let's do this, yes. Well, there you go. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at that.